Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study for medical terminology. We'll cover effective strategies to make learning easier and more efficient. Medical terminology might seem daunting at first, but by breaking down words into their core components, prefixes, suffixes, and root words, you can quickly grasp their meanings. This approach helps you understand hundreds of terms by learning just a few key elements. Let's dive into some practical tips to boost your retention and confidence. A powerful technique is to deconstruct medical terms. For example, pericarditis breaks down into peri, around, cardi, heart, and diatis, inflammation. This means inflammation around the heart. By consistently identifying these three parts, you'll build a strong foundation. Practice this method with at least 10 new words daily. This systematic approach transforms overwhelming lists into logical puzzles, making retention much simpler and more intuitive for long-term recall. Active learning is crucial for long-term retention. Don't just read, engage with the material. Make physical or digital flashcards, writing the term on one side and its definition, pronunciation, and breakdown on the other. Spend at least 30 minutes daily reviewing these. Try explaining terms aloud to yourself or a friend. Teaching solidifies your knowledge. Visual aids, like diagrams labeling body parts with their medical names, can also significantly enhance memory recall and understanding. Consistency is your best friend in mastering medical terminology. Instead of long, infrequent study sessions, aim for 20 to 30 minutes of review every day. This spaced repetition significantly improves recall. Try to use the terms in sentences or imagine clinical scenarios where they apply. For instance, if you learn gastritis, think about a patient experiencing stomach inflammation. This practical application helps solidify your understanding and makes the learning process more engaging and effective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.